Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Shilu Chandrabhumi. Currently, I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I am excited to introduce myself, share my educational background, interest, skills, and future career goals. I came from Noakhali, Bangladesh, a place that has played an important role in shaping my values and personality. Growing up there taught me the importance of hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. These values continues to guide me throughout my academic and personal journey. Talking about my educational background, I have completed my secondary school certificate from Bokshabanja High School with a GPA of 5 point. This achievement motivated me to work even harder in my future studies. After that, I completed my higher secondary certificates from Chomoni Government SC College with a GPA of 5 point. During my college life, I developed a strong interest in technology and computer. I became curious about how software and websites are created and how technology can solve real-world problems. This curiosity inspired me to choose computer science and study as my field of study. Currently, at Daffodil International University, I am learning various subjects related to programming, data structure, algorithms, database systems, software engineering, and web development. These courses are helping me to build a strong foundation for my future career. My career goal is to become a professional web developer. I am particularly interested in creating a website that is user-friendly, that provides a great experience for users. To achieve this, I am continuously improving my technical skills. I have experiences with C, C++, Python, and I am also learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to strengthen my web development knowledge. Besides technical skills, I value teamwork, communication, and problem solving. I enjoy working with others, sharing ideas, and learning from them. I believe these skills are important for both personal and professional growth. I consider myself a hardworking, responsible, and quick learner. I always try to positive and view challenges as opportunities to learn something new. My future plan is to gain practical experiences, work on real-world projects, and become a skilled full-stack web developer who can contribute to innovative digital solutions. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I look forward to learning, growing, and making a positive impact in the technology industry. Thank you and have a great day.